In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted documents on WPS Office in Android and iOS. Welcome, and thank you for joining this helpful guide. If you have ever accidentally deleted an important file or realized later that you still need a document you removed, this video will walk you through how recovery works inside the WPS Office mobile app in a clear and easy way. During this tutorial, you will learn where deleted files are stored and how to restore them before they are permanently lost. To get started, open the WPS Office app on your Android or iOS device and make sure you are signed into your account. Being logged in is important because file recovery relies on your account access and storage features. Once the app is open and you are on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap the menu icon. This will open the main navigation panel, where you can access different sections related to your files and app settings. From this menu, find and tap the Recycle Bin option. The Recycle Bin is where WPS Office temporarily keeps files that were deleted from within the app. This feature gives you a chance to recover documents before they are permanently removed. After opening the Recycle Bin, you will see a list of files that were previously deleted, whether they came from your device storage or cloud storage connected to WPS Office. Take your time browsing through the list to locate the document you want to restore. When you find the correct file, tap on it to select it. After selecting the document, tap the Recover option to begin the restoration process. Once you confirm the action, the file will be returned to its original location. This means you can open it, edit it, and continue working just as if it was never deleted. However, it is important to understand that the recovery feature in WPS Office requires an active paid subscription. Without a subscription, the option to recover files may not be available. Because of this limitation, it is a good practice to carefully review files before deleting them, especially if they are important or difficult to recreate. Taking a few extra seconds to confirm your action can help prevent unnecessary stress later. Another helpful habit is regularly backing up important documents to cloud storage. Having backups adds an extra layer of protection in case files are deleted by mistake or your device experiences unexpected problems. Understanding how the Recycle Bin works and knowing its limits can help you manage your documents more confidently. Once your file is successfully recovered, you can return to your work without interruption. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.